Oh my goodness, look at that. This curler has completely changed the game for me.
That's the on button. You can adjust the temperature on the left side and the button to curl.
Thanks to this portable cordless curler, curling my hair has never been easier. I just showered earlier today, let my hair air dry, and we are going to be using this curler to curl my hair for the day.
And there are additional tools under the box. There's the comb, the 2 hair clips, and an instruction manual.
I'm going to section my hair off. Hold it. Wait till it beeps twice. There we go. Oh my goodness, look at that. So this is the curled side. This is the mess of a side.
And thanks to this unique style, you physically cannot burn yourself. And then here's me all ready for the day. I brushed out the curls and I love it. I would 10 out of 10 recommend this curler.